Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. I'm Jessica Turner from the Rock County Public Health Department. This week we have some more summer safety tips for you to get you prepared for this weekend's holiday celebrations. Let's go ahead and get started with some food safety tips from one of our environmental health specialists, Jared Hergert.
I'm an environmental health specialist with the Rock County Public Health Department. My main role at the Public Health Department is as a health inspector conducting restaurant and retail food inspections. With the 4th of July holiday coming up, I wanted to give some safe food handling tips. Much of food safety focuses on food temperatures, cross-contamination, and personal health. We'll start with food temperatures. We should keep cold food cold, hot food hot, and always cook raw animal products to the correct temperature. This means removing cold food from the refrigerator right before it's time to eat and keeping the foods covered and on ice when serving. The goal should be keeping the food below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. For hot foods, this means cooking raw animal products to the correct temperature. All raw poultry should be cooked to a minimum of 170 degrees. All raw ground meat, such as ground pork and ground beef, should be cooked to a minimum of 160 degrees. All raw whole muscle beef, whole muscle pork, and fish should be cooked to a minimum of 150 degrees. All hot food should then be held at 140 degrees and above until ready to consume. Cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is when a raw animal product contaminates another food item. That could be a raw meat dripping onto a salad being prepared on a surface that just had raw meat prepared on it without proper sanitization, or simply not washing your hands. We want to ensure any pathogens from a raw animal product do not contaminate food that does not go through a cook step that would kill it. Finally, personal health. With COVID-19, we should all be very aware of our personal health, and we should never prepare food that others would consume while we are sick or contagious for fear of contaminating the food we are preparing. We are all responsible for ensuring our friends and family have a healthy, happy, and safe holiday.
Hi everyone, my name is Nick Zupan, and for today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about fireworks safety as we approach July 4th. Firework-related injuries are the most common around July 4th, and they can be serious, including death, injury including burn, contusions, lacerations, and eye injuries like blindness. We want to make sure that you're protecting yourself and your family this holiday. So here are a few tips to stay safe over the July 4th if you're lighting fireworks or watching fireworks. The first tip is never allow young children to play with or ignite fireworks. Always make sure you have an adult present to supervise any firework-related activities. The second tip is avoid buying fireworks that are packaged in brown paper. This means that they may be designed for professional displays and could be a little bit more powerful and dangerous for consumers. Thirdly, make sure you, your kids, and others watch firework displays from a safe distance. You don't want to be in a direct launching zone of fireworks because this can put you in direct harm. Finally, call 911 immediately if someone was injured from fireworks.
We hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you have any questions that you would like answered in a future video, please send them to covid19.questions@co.rock.wi.us. As you celebrate the 4th of July this weekend and enjoy the warm weather, please remember to be safe. Don't forget your sunscreen and your mosquito spray. Make sure you drink plenty of water if you're out in the sun. Wear your cloth face covering if you're around anyone who's not part of your household. Be sure to maintain that 6 feet of physical distancing. Wash your hands, and don't do a lot of traveling if you don't have to. Enjoy the 4th of July weekend and be safe.